Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we live and work today. From voice assistants to self-driving cars, AI is all around us. AI is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. Machine learning and deep learning are key components of AI technology. These technologies allow machines to learn from data and improve over time. AI is used in various industries such as healthcare, finance, and gaming. It can help in diagnosing diseases, predicting stock market trends, and even creating realistic video game characters. The ethical implications of AI are still being debated. Concerns about job automation and biases in algorithms are important topics. Despite the challenges, AI has the potential to bring about positive changes in society. As we move forward, the world of AI awaits us.